Hi there, I'm Avie Herman, and today I'm going to teach you how to have your baby properly positioned in an adjustable base baby carrier so that their legs are properly supported in a spread squat with the fabric extending all the way from one knee to the other, but without overextending their legs or having their legs dangle down. I'm going to be using the Didymos DidyKlick. It's a half buckle carrier, so it has a lightly padded waist belt that fastens with a buckle, and then these long wrap straps that go over your shoulders. But this applies to any baby carrier that has an adjustable seat for baby. So first I'm just going to take the carrier and have the waist like this and bring the waist belt to my natural waist, and then I'm going to put it on with the buckle in the front just to make it easier to tighten. I'm gonna put the buckle through the little elastic here and just buckle it in, and then I'm going to make sure that it's flush against my waist and just tighten up. Slide it back around. I have it in the widest setting right now, and I'm going to show you why that's too wide for my baby and how to make sure that it's not too wide and not too narrow. Here's my baby. So I'm going to put this on as if I've done it right. She's sitting just above the waist panel, and I'm just gonna bring this up over her bum, and I'm gonna put it on. And I'm going to just fasten it under her legs so that I can really demonstrate what the issue is here. I'm going to tie it around her back. Nothing on it, even though I'm not keeping her in this. So right now, her legs are both overextended. The bum panel is extended past just behind her knees and is extending all the way to her lower legs. She can't really move her legs freely. We can kind of manipulate the fabric to get her moving her legs freely, but she's kind of holding her legs up here. So this is going to be too wide. So I'm going to undo it. I'm going to take her out and put her down. And now, this is just using Velcro, so I'm just gonna release the Velcro, bring it in just a little bit, bring it in just a little bit, and I'm gonna show you what happens if I bring it in too much. So now it's really nice and tight and narrow. We can make this a little narrower as well. And now what happens when we put her in? So her bum is supported. I'm just gonna put it on for a full demonstration. So now I've made it too narrow and her legs are kind of dangling. So her bum is supported. She's not gonna fall out, but I can't get it from one knee to the other, and her knees end up, she's sort of knows what she's supposed to do, so she keeps her knees up. But if she wasn't used to being worn in a carrier and wasn't doing it on her own, her knees would sort of dangle below her bum. So I'm gonna take her out one last time. I'm gonna hopefully get her adjusted just right, and I'm actually going to keep her in this time so that I can get it adjusted exactly to her measurements. And you can also do this by lying baby down and putting it under them with their legs in a knees above bum position. So release the Velcro and pull it out and fasten it back. Okay, so now I'm gonna tighten up properly. Just gonna pull this tight. Oh no. Pull this tight. Always make sure that you tie a double knot. Spread that out on my shoulder. As you can see, baby's legs are in a completely ergonomic position. They're in that nice M shape with a nice deep seat. Baby's bum is resting a little bit below her knees, and she is fully supported from one knee to the other, her entire bum, and her legs are able to move freely because the fabric doesn't extend at all beyond her knees. So this is the position that you're going for in any baby carrier, and how to accomplish it in any carrier that has a adjustable seat, such as the Tula Free-to-grow, Tula Explore, DidyKlick, Integra, anything that's going to have that nice adjustable seat. Thank you so much for watching.